Hey guys, we have a new mystery box. This one is from Lone Star. It is a 15 disc plus their little Christmas set bundle. And we're going to go ahead and open it up. We've not seen what these discs look like yet. And so careful not to cut anything on the top. So this is 3 of their 5 packs. They do give you some information so you can see it is 3 of those 5 packs in one starter set Christmas bundle. So let's go ahead and see what we get. Right up on top, this is an X-Out bayonet. Ooh, I don't know what that is. I think that might be a Lima plastic, but I like the feel of it. It's got a nice little pop top to it after a lot of bayonets. The next one is Frio or a Seguin. I'm not certain what it has to be a Seguin. That's such a big rim, and that feels like they're alpha plastic, nice and hard. Do like the double stamp though. The next is, I believe that's a dome. Let's see if we can find it. Yep, dome, and that's in the alpha plastic. Don't really throw a dome. I probably should try one. I only have one in a glow, and so that'll be fun to try out. The next is a Texas Ranger, and that is it is a Walker is what it says, but it has the Texas Ranger logo, and it's an alpha. That most definitely is a Walker. The one on top is a Ranger. You can see there's a very different profile. So if you want to freak your friends out, throw this baby, and it's actually a Walker. I kind of like that. So this is just a blank Texas Ranger. So that might be my favorite one so far. Go ahead, keep at it. Oh, I changed my mind. Oh, it's a V2. If that was a V1, that is sweet looking. You guys need to make a double stamped Jackrabbit. I love that. That's not a misprint. That is sweet. Only if that was in their V1 plastic. I mean, it's still got some flex to it. Just can't throw that one in the winter for a putter. But I'll probably be putting that one in the bag for sure. The next one is the Crockett. I've actually never thrown this disc, and so I want to try this one out. It looks like there's just a little misprint right there. Let's go ahead and pull the next one. I'm really trying not to look at it. This one is a Harrier. It feels like it's in a Bravo plastic. It's a little bit more flexy, but looks really sweet. It has a cool little ring right around it. I don't know how well that's going to come out on the camera. And double stamped. It feels like a Mad Cat, and it is a Mad Cat. Great 9-speed disc. A little bit of pop to it, so I'm guessing it still feels like alpha, but a little poppy top. Okay, a BB6 double stamp. So this is their traditional like bar stamp plus their little like almost like corkscrew, and that one is in the Bravo plastic. Pretty flexy. I do throw the BB6. That's my turnover disc, so that one's probably gonna go in the bag because mine's pretty beat up. Ooh, a double stamped penny. And that is a V2 as well. It's that firmer plastic. That one floats though, which is pretty cool. Ooh, I did get a Christmas curl. I just know this is the curl because that's the green one. And so, don't know how much I'll throw this in the summertime because it's gonna be pretty hard to see with our grass. But I do like that. I might just have to try that guy out. We're not done yet. Here is a Frio. That's actually a Seguin. Crap. I love the Frio. Don't really throw this disc very much. It's just beefy. And so, kind of like that it says Frio though. Kind of misleading if you step up and can bomb. The next one is a Brazos. This one is a pretty overstable disc, even though it's 7502. I definitely would call it probably a 7503. Pretty cool little X out there with a little swirl. Ooh. Oh, I was hoping it was a soft one. This is the Horny Toad Alpha Plastic. Pretty sweet design. I like the color, man, especially if you would dye that. It's a little bit puddle topped. Okay, it's a lot puddle topped, but pretty sweet. I'm getting near the end. A double stamped Benny. That's pretty hard. That might, I don't think that's, I can't tell. It's definitely a Benny putter because it has the bead, but that might be an alpha. I don't think I have an alpha because it definitely doesn't feel like they're Delta plastic. Oh, it looks like they threw in a mini for me. Pretty awesome. And I think it's just the Christmas box that's left. And so this is a 3-pack Christmas box. I believe they still have these on their site. So if it's something you want, we have that penny putter. That should be all in Bravo because that's what I ordered. So looking pretty good. That's the first one. This was the whole reason I bought it. Right here. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And that should be the Texas Ranger, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it is. I think that's a triple stamp. You got the silver, you got the green, and you got the black. Really awesome disc. And then we do have one of those curls as well that I already have one of, but that's awesome. All 3 of those are in the Bravo plastic. Pretty awesome little kit there. And remember, I got that mini. We have that penny. We have that horny toad. Brazos, the Frio, but it's not really. Little Seguin. Curl. Got that double stamped penny. BB6. Mad Cat double stamped. The Harrier, a little understable distance driver. We have the Crockett overstable distance driver. The sweet double stamped Jackrabbit. The Texas Ranger, that is actually a walker. I'm probably going to be bagging that. That's a fun disc. The Dome. Again, I've not tried that anything but the glow plastic. Another Seguin. And last but certainly not least, that super floppy, I believe that's Lima. I can't wait to throw that. It's not my favorite color out there, but hopefully this time of year this thing will bomb and also be easy to find. During the summer months, it might be a little harder. Might have to put some color on that or something. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this was helpful at all or you like this kind of stuff, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page and Instagram page. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a great day.